Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today I'm going to show you how to take your small patio and create this backyard oasis for under 500 bucks. We're going to start this backyard makeover with the before, and we have overgrown weeds and just overgrown shrubs, and everything is all over the place. There's no central design or decor theme for the space, so we're going to try to identify that. First, we're going to get started with painting some vases that we're going to use for the white branches. And as you can see, I'm painting this black vase with white Rust-Oleum paint, just basic paint. And I'm also going to paint the branch that's laying next to the vase. The branches are a natural branch, and you can pick these up from your local nursery store. And I'm painting this white. I have another video, and you guys can click for outdoor lighting, and you can see other projects that I've done where I'm going to paint out the branch white, and I'll place some solar lights, and it just looks amazing. Next, we're going to start painting some of the furniture. I believe this furniture is about 10 or 15 years old, and it was the typical wrought iron color, but we want to dress it up and give it a bright color, white, and just give it a good coat of paint and make everything look fresh and white for this backyard makeover. While the paint is drying, I decided to add some cafe lights to this small patio, and I'm just going to string the lights up around the exterior of the patio and maybe one string across the adjacent, coming across on a diagonal over the top. And I think it's just enough lighting to give this backyard a ambiance of outdoor dining should the client chooses. Since the backyard was overgrown and I didn't know that it was in this condition prior to coming, guys, so I had to take off, go to the local Home Depot and purchase a weed whacker because I was not going to buy a lawnmower and put a lawnmower together. So the weed whacker was the option of the day. And so right now I am weed whacking the shrubbery, and it worked out pretty well. And I'm going to weed whack some of the grass area as well, just to give it a little bit more of a tapered effect in this backyard. Right now I am painting additional furniture pieces. I was going to leave this piece in the natural iron, but once I started painting everything white, it just looked really awkward. So I'm taking a break from weed whacking, and I'm going to paint a couple of more additional pieces. Now it's time to start placing some of the patio furniture back in place, and we're going to start off with this brown swivel chair. It's a rattan chair, and the cushion is a neutral tone color as well. Then I'm going to place this gorgeous blue rug down in front of the rattan chair. I think it's just the perfect color. The homeowner already had the blue vases, and now we're just going to add to that. Next, I'm adding this indoor small table, but I'm bringing it outdoors, and I'm going to put the table together, and I'm also adding a second rug, and this rug is going to function more for actually catching the dirt in and out of the entry point, so that you don't get your feature rug as dirty. And then I'm going to double layer that with another rug as well. And it just has, a slogan that says, "We welcome you. We're glad that you're here." It's just a different texture. It brings in a different color, so it breaks up the blue and white as well. The end result is absolutely stunning, utilizing all of the furniture items that the client previously had and just painting them out to give them a different color and to spruce everything up, and just going and adding a few dollars to it to enhance your backyard space is amazing. So what you're looking at are the white branches that have been painted out. There's lights that are added onto there, so they will come on at nighttime. And then I just added a big floral on top of the table and added another accent table, and the colors are blue, white, and tan. Those are the colors. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that ring notification button, and that way you'll be notified each time a new video comes up. Until the next video, make every day a great day.